What is Bubble Pop Battle Pass Vandal Skin Showcase on your Bubble Pop game here just on your device? For this, I will show you some of the things that may work for you. This is the Riot Games website in front of you. What mainly we have to do is click on All Valorant Episode 9 Act 1 Battle Pass skins of your Bubble Pop. As you can see, all the details regarding the game here. Like every act, episode 9 act 1 battle pass also features 3 different collections like Bubble Pop, Convergence and Bubble Brigade. Bubble Pop collection, as the weapons you see below belong to one of the 3 skins collection. You can see that the image is also added in the website here. So let me show you the mixture of white, black and pink and blue in color weapons are weaponized here in front of you. You can see that these are the bubble pop weapons and thing. Now this was about the bubble pop. Next is convergence. Let me show you the convergence of also. I don't know about you guys, but the collection looked to a lot similar to the other all creations or collection. So this is the bubble pop of your battlefield. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel.